Ezihamba phambili indaba namuhla iqembu le-DA selivulela umnyango wezempilo icala. Elezemfundo zitusa uguquko kwezemfundo eKing Cetshwayo kanti zichonywa uphaphelo egwalagwala inhlangano engenzi inzuzo. Lezi zindaba ze1 KZN TV nifundele uphilano akaCebekhulu kamzimba umntwana uyakhuleka nina bedloveni amandla. Sanibonani. Lo umele iqembu le-Democratic Alliance kwezempilo kuzolonke uPatricia Kopane hambisana ke nelungu lesishamthetho laleli qembu esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal uDkt Imran Kika sebevuleke icala lokubulala ngokungenhloso bevulela ungqongqoshe omnyango wezempilo kulesifundazwe kanjalo nakazwelonke. Ukuvulwa kwanamacala kuzemva kuba ikhomishana amalungelo abantu yakhipha umbiko ngokushona kweziguli ezingaphezulu kwama300 esibhedlela eEdington eThekwini. Ekhuluma neziko lezindaba uKopane uthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi labo ungqongqoshe bajeze.
Livule icala lokubulala ngokungenhloso iqembu le-DA livulela ungqongqoshe kazwelonke womnyango wezempilo kanjalo nesifundazwe saZulu-Natal. Lokhu ke kuzemveni kokuba esikhathini esingangenyanga esedlule ikhomishana yamalungelo abantu iSouth African Human Rights Commission yakhipha umbiko oveza ukuthi zingaphezulu kwama300 iziguli ezidlule emhlabeni esibhedlela eEdington esisenkabeni yeTheku ngenxa ungakwazi ukuthola amakhambi okulapha izifo ezinjengomdlavuza. Lokho ke umele i-DA kwezempilo uPatricia Kopane uthi bafuna ongqongqoshe bebone ukubaluleka komonakala bawenzayo ngokunganaki izimo zezempilo esibhedlela zikahulumeni.
It is the responsibility of both provincial MEC and the national minister to protect the citizen of this country. And as public representatives or as politicians, together with the public, it is our responsibility to be the mouthpiece for those who cannot stand for themselves. And the reality is the poor people who suffer in this because they don't have medical aid. They rely on the state institution to give them treatment. So it is sad. So today we are here to make sure that the investigations must be taken out by South African National Prosecuting Authority and South African police so that justice can come and people must be held accountable. It is actually a shame that the ANC, they will allow their own MEC to still be an MEC. The report clearly blames both of them, the national minister and the provincial MEC. According to the report, both of them, they have been blamed on the death of those patients that have died in these provinces. That's why we decided to come and lay criminal charges against both of them.
uKopane uthi uhulumeni ke ziningi izinto angazinakile nezithinta ngqo izimpilo zabantu uthi iNingizimu Afrika njengezwe lisakhulayo kwi-GDP ngokwe-World Health Organization likhipha ke amaphesenti angu-8 nokuyiyona lizwe elikhipha kakhulu uma sekuziwa emazweni ase-Afrika. Uthi lokho kuzinkomba zokuthi imali ikhona phokungani ke le mali ingafakwa ke ekuthuthukiseni izinga lezempilo ikakhulukazi ezibhedlela zikahulumeni.
We feel now justice must happen because those who have lost their loved ones, they want to know exactly what happened. They need a closure and people must be held accountable. It is high time that in South Africa people must be held accountable for their action. And what we need to understand as South African people, according to the World Health Organization that said that the norms and standard, it clearly says that each and every country must contribute about 5% of their GDP to health. But what happened in South Africa? We contribute 88%. It shows that money is not a problem. We contribute more than other developing countries. But if you check the outcome of our health outcomes, it's so poor. So it clearly shows that there's a lack of leadership. People who are there, the performance assessment doesn't done, people doesn't care, but there's a lack of accountability.
Udokotela uKika ke umele i-DA isifundazweni saZulu-Natal uthi ke ukushoda kwezinto esibhedlela zehulumeni ikhona ke ukwenza kube khona lezi zinkinga.
Findings of our complaint, and it has confirmed what we have been saying, that there's a shortage of doctors, there's a shortage of other staff, there's a shortage of equipment, and it has confirmed the true nature of how many people have died and continue to die. Of course, there has to be accountability for that. What is lacking is that the ANC in the province has allowed its provincial minister or the MEC to get away with murder by not holding him accountable. And for that reason, we are here today to lay charges against him for culpable homicide in the hope that the justice system will take its toll and its route and hold him accountable and put him behind bars for he is presiding over this department.
Umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni saZulu-Natal uthi awuzukwazi ukuphawula ngalolu daba njengoba zingekho incwadi esezilethwe kubona. Ezindabeni ze-1 KZN TV kube kuNondumiso Mlondo, ngibuya ngiseThekwini.
Uhlalo wekomiti lezemfundo eShamthelo saKwaZulu-Natal unkosikazi uLinda Hlongwa Madlala usayishayela elikhulu kihlombo ukusebenza ngokuzikhandla kwamqondisi omnyango wezemfundo kusifunda keKing Cetshwayo nathe ngemuva kweziphakamiso nezincomo ezenziwa yikomiti lakhe ngasekuqaleni konyaka iningi lazo ke libeke impumelelo. uMadlala kube ekhuluma kanjena ke ngxoxweni ekhethekile abenayo neziko lezindaba ku1 KZN TV.
Ikomiti leshamthetho kusukela osukwini langoLwesibili belihambele izikole ezahlukene eKing Cetshwayo District, ikakhulukazi lezi ezingenzanga kahle kumatikuletsheni. Lokhu kuhamba kuza ngokuthi ngasekuqaleni konyaka bebevakashele lezi zikole. Abazihambele lapho kwenziwa khona ucwaningo, kwaphuma nesincomo nokungenziwa ukulekelela lezi zikole.
Legislature kaZulu-Natal la kade bevakashela khona izikole ababekade beyivakashela ngoJanuary bekuwukuthi nje bazothola umbiko ukuthi kuzinto ababeyiphakamise ukuthi ayilungiswe kuqala unyaka sesihambe kangakanani ukuthi siyilungise.
Kwezinye zezikole bezihanjelile likomiti leshamthetho iThuthukani Special School sabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka. Phambilini ngenkathi kuvakashelwe lesikole bakhala ngokugcwala kanye nokungadli ngendlela. Uhlalo wezemfundo kwikomiti shamthetho uLinda Hlongwa Madlala ushayela elikhulu ihlombo umsebenzi kaDavis Chonco ongumqondisi wezemfundo eKing Cetshwayo District kanye nekomiti lakhe.
Nje senze umehluko omkhulu la eThuthukani Special School. Last time masilana khona ama-issues ayi-raise uthisha omkhulu ne-district nama-officials abhekelela ukusebenza kwesikole kwaba indaba ye-overcrowding, indaba yokungabikho kakhulu kwe-support in terms of othisha, the therapist njengoba sazi lesi sikole sidila ney'ngane nokukhubazeka okungaba severe nokungaba average. So what we have done, and there is success, 1 or 2 areas. Indawo yokuqala ene-success indaba yama-portions okudla njengoba kudliwe ezikoleni babethola i-portion yase-primary, so now they are given yase-secondary, which is fulfilling for them. But number 2, i-department ikwazile ukuthi ba-assist abatholela u-social worker. Indaba yokugcwala siyazama ukuyisolva. Even today we agreed ukuthi ngoba sikwazi manje ukusakha isikole kabusha, we can only do ama-repairs lapha nalapha, kodwa kunendaba epending yesikole sase-Richards Bay.
Ezindabeni ze-1 KZN TV kubika uKhethiwe Shange eMpangeni.
Usekela meya kumasipala uMhlathuze ukhansela Silondile Mkhize uthi inhlangano engenzi inzuzo zibambe elikhulu kweqhaza kulekeleleni uhulumeni kwabagulayo namadingo okunakekelwa ngoba izibhedlela kangeke zikwazi ukubanakekela bonke. uMkhize usho kanjena ke ngxoxweni ekhethekile ne1 KZN TV kulandela komhlangano abenawo nenhlangano engenzi inzuzo kanye nabelaphi bendabuko.
Shayi abantu ehholo lomphakathi eCivic Center nalapha izinhlangano ezingenza izuzo zicotshelwa ngolwazi nangokuthi zibe semthethweni nangendlela yokusebenza. Ukhansela uSilondiwe Mkhize uthi iqhaza libanjwe inhlangano ezingenza inzuzo zilekelela kakhulu uhulumeni ukuze nalapha engafinyeleli khona bakwazi ukuthi abantu basizakale.
Inhlangano ezingenza izuzo ngoba phela imiphakathi yakithi siyazi ukuthi iyagula kodwa iyaludinga usizo futhi izibhedlela zikhona zingeke zanela.
Ukhabazela uqhubeka ngokuthi ukunakekela kwabantu kwenza bakwazi ukuvuka bazithathe balekelele nalapha ekukhulisweni komnotho.
Ozikhona kunjalo alekelela ukuthi uhulumeni la ingafikanga khona wona ebesiyafika ukuze phela laba bantu abagulayo abasemakhaya bakwazi ukuthi basizakale basukume nabo ukuze babe ingxenye yomnotho wezwe bakwazi ukuqhubeka.